If they are not home, you can give them a form.
It's a hot day and Nathaniel Lowe's job is just beginning. He is organizing 60 people who are going door to door in neighborhoods with large concentrations of Asian Americans. His group is called Asian Americans Advancing Justice.
We're asking folks to call their member of Congress to support immigration reform that is fair, just, and humane.
Lowe says it is not just if the family reunification section of the Senate bill becomes law. It would end the ability of citizens to sponsor siblings and adult children age 31 and over.
My uncles and aunts were sponsored by my dad. So they came over here because of the brother-sibling category, and if this gets done away with, my family wouldn't be able to be over here.
Under current law, spouses, children under 21 years old, and parents of U.S. citizens get priority and do not have to wait for a visa. There is, however, a limit on the number of visas given to relatives considered lower priority, including adult children and siblings. Although the Senate bill eliminating the ability of citizens to sponsor their siblings and adult children is far from becoming law, and the House of Representatives still has to pass its own bill before lawmakers finalize a reform package, political science professor Dan Schnur says civil rights groups are right to worry.
If comprehensive immigration reform does pass Congress in the foreseeable future, the nature of the discussion to date suggests that family reunification is not going to survive in its current form.
Schnur believes the sibling category is in danger because many U.S. politicians think of a family as being parents and young children, not siblings or grown children. Schnur says the economic and employment needs of the U.S. also are a consideration.
The argument you hear most frequently out of Washington is to expand categories for those with particular job skills, those with particular types of educational training, those with particular types of work experience.
The Senate bill expands the number of visas for people with advanced degrees in science and technology from U.S. schools and creates a new visa for low-skilled workers for industries such as agriculture.
Can we gather over here?
Asian Americans Advancing Justice says ending the sibling and adult children entitlement would most affect people from Asia.
This avenue of petitioning for siblings is mostly used by the Asian American community. Latinos tend to be, due to the proximity of the countries, it tends to be a lot of entry without inspection.
Asian Americans Advancing Justice is offering sessions like this one to help people file visa applications for their siblings or adult children in case that part of the Senate bill does become law. Elizabeth Lee for VOA News, Los Angeles.
The petitioner, the beneficiary.